need to set with a pressed powder first.
Okay, so if you're still experiencing the under eye creasing, we're gonna follow her technique and see if it works. So she says to use a pressed powder first before you go in with your setting powder. I'm gonna go in and press this powder under my eyes. Why does that look so freaking smooth? Oh my goodness. I never thought to do this. This looks stunning without the setting powder. Like, I'm going to reblend out my concealer so there's no crease in there. Now we're gonna go in with the setting powder. I'm still going to lightly dust it off some. Let's see. If you have fine lines, the key is to really press that powder under the eyes. And make sure you're using a setting powder that's going to give you that longevity that's good. It's currently 5:16. I will be back to check in with the wear test. I want to see how this wears for at least 4 to 5 hours, and I'll be back to check back in before the end of the night. It's currently 11:22 at night. My eye just started to water right here, so let me look up. And for 5 hours, that's not bad at all whatsoever. Like, literally, my under eyes still look really, really nice. What do you guys think? Drop some comments down below. I think that's a pretty good hack, and I will be using it more often.